Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to prevent deleting browser history and download history in Microsoft Edge. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar. Click and expand Administrative Templates. Click and expand Classic Administrative Templates. Click and expand Microsoft Edge. Open Enable Deleting Browser and Download History. Check Disabled. Click Apply, OK. Close and exit Group Policy Editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.